Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cisco Apprenticeship Program update. Again, Cisco team is sending the application form update. And what about the today's exam cutoff? In the video, we will discuss about the hiring process. I already created video for all of you that is related to apprenticeship program. And now candidate receive both the link is open Technical Graduate Apprentice India for 2024 batch and non-technical graduate apprentice India for BCom, BBA, BA, BBM. Okay, so both the hirings are active. Apply for opportunity and mention in the comment section you received this type of mail today. Cisco Technical Graduate Apprentice application form 10 minutes ago it is received, means in the morning. Dear candidate, greetings from Cisco. Thank you for your interest in Cisco Apprenticeship Program 12-month fixed term training program in line with NATS, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme. Your profile is being screened for technical graduate which you applied in Cisco career page. In order to continue with screening process, we need a few additional detail. We request you to fill the form before 22nd May. Link to form, use a desktop laptop to fill the form. If you see any error, try with a different device or browser. There will be further level of screening and filling this form will not guarantee shortlisting. So first you will receive this type of update that is related to application form, so in which they are asking your details. Okay, they are asking your details related to name, did you registered with NATS portal or not. So I suggest everyone to you can apply through NATS portal, means you can register for NATS portal, so it will generate the NATS ID. It will very helpful for everyone because it is mandatory. Like in the like if you see the job description, so they clearly mention here, okay, like must have enrolled as student on NATS education and have a valid student enrollment number issued by NATS. So you can like enrolled in the NATS, so it will very helpful for everyone. Suppose if you choose the no option and you submit the form, so no need to worry about that, please wait. Okay, you will receive the update from Cisco team. Next, soon you will receive the update from Cisco team that is related to this. Okay, like after filling the application form, you will receive this type of update. Cisco Apprenticeship Program next step role preference. Okay, dear candidate, we are pleased to let you know that your profile has been shortlisted for further selection process under Cisco Apprenticeship Program. Under the technical graduate apprenticeship, we have multiple role. As a next step, please read through brief description of each role and choose your role preference. So what is the hiring process? Firstly, they will fill, they want to fill like application form. They share the application form, you have to fill. After that, the role preference mail will become if your profile is shortlisted. Role preference means many roles are there: SE software engineering, SRE site reliability engineer, DA like BA DevOps. Okay, hardware related roles are there and data analyst related roles are there. So the thing is, you have to choose any one of the role. After that, your online assessment will be scheduled. Okay, online assessment, suppose you choose SE or SRE. If they have demands of SRE, they will allot you SRE role. Okay, so according to their demands, they will allot you one domain. Okay, and the most probably the test will be in that. So this is the hiring process. After online assessment, there is an interview. Okay, first of all, this type of message you will receive when you like after completing role preference. Second is Cisco Apprenticeship Program online assessment detail. So what about the today's examination cutoff 21 May? I already uploaded video on our channel that is related to apprenticeship online test yesterday. So what is the cutoff? First of all, the cutoff varies. Okay, cutoff will be depends on Cisco team. Okay, and the cutoff is related to domain based as. Okay, like other domain cutoff are different. SE domain are other, SRE domain, BA domain, data analyst domain. So cutoff will be depends on Cisco team and the cutoff will be varies according to the domain. First of all, I am talking about the SE. Okay, I consider the example that your domain is SE software engineering. Questions is 50 MCQ and one coding question. Total 50 question and one question for coding. So they will check, okay, you solved coding question completely or not, like how many test cases you passed in the coding question, and out of 50 question there are mixed 50 question. Mixed 50 question means aptitude questions are there and technical MCQs are there. Technical MCQ of computer network OS, I think object oriented programming. So the cutoff varies. Suppose you solve the 40 to 45 plus, like most probably 35 to 40 MCQs correct, so there is a high chances that you clear the cutoff. It's just a trend, or we can say that it's just one of the suggestion or prediction, but the thing is it will totally depends on Cisco team, what is the level of examination. It will also depend, cutoff will also depend on level of exam. Level is high, level is low, so cutoff will be low or high. Okay, so they will check if you solve the 35 to 40 questions correct, there is a high chances that you clear cutoff. Suppose they want like you solve with the 25 to 30 questions correct, so they also give you opportunity. So totally depends on them. And in the coding question they will check how many test cases you passed. Let's wait for the next update that is related to interview. Okay, I will I will check with selected candidates. Okay, and I will share all the updates with all of you in the comment section. This is the video, this is the experience of graduate apprentice. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.